Hi, Ghosties. Welcome to Tiger Terror. I am Natalie, and I'm here
And
with.
Bea! Hi, guys!
We're also here with this cute little guy.
Yeah. Dapat may pangalan siya. What name should we give him? Terry!
Yes, Terry.
Terry the Terror Tiger.
Yeah, hello, Terry.
Today, what's our episode about?
Our episode is about terror professors in UST. I'm sure anyone who's been in UST has had their own fair share of terror profs.
Bakit UST lang? I think this is just a universal experience.
Actually, pero kasi combined with our the very conservative ideas dito sa UST. Feel ko nakadagdag din yan. Like, kaya meron, ano niya sa professors niya sa theology dati? Are they very conservative?
Oh, the one I had for theology before is actually really nice.
Why do you get all the good professors? Alam niyo ba, before this episode, nag-usap pa kami ni Bea kung sino, kasi nga, syempre, we're preparing for the podcast. Bea said she has never gotten a terror prof. How are you that lucky?
I had terror props. Wait, text ko na lang ko sa'yo who I had.
Yeah, but you didn't get like, she's actually typing. Nga, bawal kami mag-name drop.
We're sorry, guys. We're not allowed to name drop, but
He's not that bad though.
he is to me. He's strict to me. Hindi, na-disappoint. I had an experience, I didn't like. Nabagsak ako sa isang plate. Not really bagsak, pero I
Tama.
got like 75 on a plate.
What?
And the reason why daw is kasi bad daw yung character design. Sayang daw, maganda ang execution mo. And I'm like,
Bro, 75?
yeah. Look, I had worse. I had a classmate. I think she was accused by the same professor that she did not draw for her plate. The thing is, sabi niya, in-accuse niya yung friend ko, nag-cut out siya ng magazines for her plate. She didn't. She hand drew everything that looked so realistic.
See, crazy.
Eh,
I think, kasi, oo, meron siyang pagka-power tripper minsan. Like,
yeah.
he's old. He's old. Of course, he's gonna be.
We can't name drop who this is. Sorry, guys. Sa mga taga-C-fans, baka kayo lang yung nakaka-context clues nito. But other than that, I did have that specific professor for my fig draw, and I don't really have a problem with fig draw, so it wasn't
He's
really
my,
that hard.
he was my advisor sa nung nag-OJT. He was okay. And, prof ko
To
din
be
siya.
fair, I thought the OJT should be considered as like an academic subject anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Parang lang naman yung design lang for compliance na.
Yeah, exactly. For attendance.
Prof ko siya sa illustration. What subjects yun? Madami ang naging subjects sa kanya.
Yeah, I know. At this point, where are you not present at this point? Like,
actually, naging prof ko siya sa ILUS, and then finals namin nung second year, kailangan namin gumawa ng mini animation. Wala pa naman tayong animation ng second year, diba?
Was it that third year?
No. Second year. Pinagawa niya kami ng parang short animation.
Oh, wait, I know you got. Yeah, my friend also experienced the same thing. Yeah,
Tapos,
hand-drawn, diba?
Oo.
Onion skin.
Oo. Yun din yung dahilan kung bakit di ako nakapunta ng Paskuhan. Second year.
I don't like the fact that some professors, okay, this is just a personal opinion lang, but I kinda don't like the whole anti-anime
Oo.
thing.
Parang sobrang fixated pa rin nila sa realism.
And Western art styles. I don't know. Parang I know the argument, of course, is that you have to learn the rules in art before you break them.
Oo, pero kasi parang yung ginajudge, art style ko yun eh. Ba't ko pinakikil?
My personal gripe is that with all these rules, I think at some point anime, despite the exaggeration, they still do follow rules of proportion and posing and dynamics. That's why a lot of people use anime as references, especially sa poses. My
Yeah.
personal thing is, I think at some point, I just want to, alam mo, sa totoo lang, gusto ko maging art teacher.
Ooh. You want to go through
Eh,
the
ano, no, not in that way, not in a professor way, but parang yung art teacher sa mga bata.
oo, actually ako din. Pero gusto ko painting.
Yeah, like I would like to teach kids art kasi parang I don't know, parang I want to encourage kids to explore and to have fun while doing making art. Kasi parang that's one if there's one thing I like about a professor, especially in CFAD, I like professors who I can tell are very passionate in what they do. Kasi nakakahawa yung passion nila sa students eh. Like I won't name drop because I can't, but a certain professor that I have is like very passionate siya when it comes to yung tinuturo niyang research and nakakahawa yung expertise
I
like
know we're
when
talking.
that professor talks parang you feel motivated. I think that's the best thing to say. Motivation. Ayun.
And I think kids really need more of that. Kasi
Yes,
mas,
exactly.
ang madalas na inaano sa kanila is sciences, maths, but what about the artistic side, the creative side? We need to hone that as well.
I yeah, especially in the Philippines na hindi gaano ka compared, let's say, like no offense, but compared to other countries, yung halaga ng culture of Philippines when it comes to art isn't as valued
Eh,
as
which is so
the
weird. We have
it's
so much
which is
culture.
sad kasi ang daming you could do so much. Like ang rich ng art history ng Pilipinas. And kaya I just wish na lang, especially since I think teachers and professors are a big influence, especially to those who want to pursue that career professionally.
And I think professors need to remember that whatever they say to students is actually influences the students. So sa mga terror prof dyan, baka naman is ayun nyo.
Yeah,
Down
and
kayo.
I can't see myself becoming a professor. I would like to be yung parang yung mga art teacher that people sign up for kapag summer.
Actually, I had one of those. It was so fun.
I really like ikaw yung teacher or ikaw yung student?
Ako yung student.
Ako rin.
Nag-ano ako dati. It was so fun. Parang lalo ko na yung ganyo na mag-paint,
Ako rin. Oh my God. Saan ka? Saan pa?
Wala na ata siya ngayon. Dito siya sa Las Piñas where I'm residing. I forgot the name of the ano. Basta, hindi ko na maalala yung pinaka-pangalan ng school. Tapos, meron pa yun sa tabi ko, may nag-violin. Tapos, sa taas, may dance studio sila for ballet. It was so cool.
That's so cute. Ako, what's the name? I went to, ano siya? What's the name of this? Fernando Sedna Art Workshop. It's around Manila. I think, basta, ibang branches siya around Manila. And then, he was teaching like, there's like different grade levels. And
Oh,
they give you
how many
grade levels.
oh, talaga.
Yeah, like depending on how many times have you attended this. Like attended like 2 years of 2 summers.
Galing.
Um yeah, and then they also give you like assignments. Yung parang, oh, today we're going to learn cross hatching. Oh my God, I have like my old artworks. There they taught me how to use oil pastels and
Ang
stuff like
tinuro
that.
ano.
Masaya siya. I don't even know. Is he still alive by now? Let's hope he's still alive. Like this. And let's hope the guy's still alive. Ano siya kasi national painter siya eh.
Talaga?
Yeah. Either way, like case in point, more like teachers are important in providing the drive and motivation of students. And I think that should be acknowledged, especially professors.
Really, they should
So,
understand that, this job isn't just about you teaching us the basics. It's about you inspiring us to do better, to
yeah.
actually do what we're learning about.
Yeah. And I'm glad to say that there are profs like that in CFAD, but yun, syempre naman, not everyone is like that. So we're just gonna point out the
Kaya
others.
talaga niya.
Okay, let's move on from CFAD and let's see. Do we actually have other stories
There's
about terror profs?
Faculty of Arts and Letters.
Ooh!
Yeah. Okay. Bad professor who gave us bad grades. The OP started off with laughing, said, I'm actually gonna go crazy. Basically, this prof of ours barely teaches that much. And in addition to the stuff he says, sa lectures are not even stuff na lumalabas sa quiz. Okay. And puro palpak ang grades namin. We barely had any time to grow in between classes and you don't really learn anything from his lectures unless you read the multiple page readings he wants us to read. Our grades is based on 60% activities, recitation, and etc., which is probably about 3 activities.
Oh,
Asks questions in lectures or gives recitations enough for at least a quarter of the class to recite. So, nakadepende yung grade mo sa activities and recitation. Tapos, activities, onti lang. Recitations, bihira lang magpa-recite. How are you gonna get good grades from that? 40% from his exam and we all barely had time to write kasi there were maybe there were 5 questions na needs a comprehensive explanation. Okay. Yung mga grades ng class ko pumapatak ng 58 to 70%. Mababa. Kapag mababa yung buong klase, feel ko it's more of a professor problem than a student problem, honestly. Our officers right now is looking into the situation and going to confront about him. The professor gave them bad grades, tapos onti lang pinapagawa, so mahirap makahabol ng grades kasi wala masyadong activities. Recitations, onti lang din. And then, if you want to have a Latin honor sa kanya, para lang makapasa sa kanya, you need to have 95 pataas para
well,
lang
that's impossibly high. Is this a major or minor subject?
walang sinabi. Pero given the amount of stress that they're putting into it, I'm guessing it's a major subject.
Oh,
This is
I
for
mean,
Faculty of Arts, ArtNet.
that that's bad.
Yeah, it's
I feel bad for the students who had to go through that.
and given that
Pero
he doesn't really teach that much, sinabi niya sa umpisa he doesn't teach that much.
okay, I mean, okay. Transparency aside, at that point, ano ba to? Naka-tenure ba to?
Kaya nga, di ba, parang ang weird ng mga profs na gano'n na,
Entitlement, I don't know, you're kind of asking your students to fend for themselves even though that's not their job.
so crazy. Like, why did you even take up this
We,
job if you don't want to
you know,
teach?
yeah, at that point, I don't know, how do you deal with a prof like that? That's the question. Because at some point, when you deal with a prof like that, yung pinakakaya ng gawin ng estudyante is to, suck it up, sadly. Pero, ah, there's always the teacher's evaluation.
Sabi nga, hindi, may nakalagay dito na even if you, may nabasa ko kanina na even if you do give them a bad evaluation, nothing really changes. Nothing really happens though.
That's
Diba?
sad. That's sad.
Di ba naman,
Baka, I don't know, yeah, I know, that's just still, at the end of the day, that's parang sad kasi kahit na may evaluation, hindi pa pinapakinggan yung mga thoughts of students. Which, to be fair, I mean, that's just how things are. So I guess the best thing to do as a student is to most likely,
I remember
find a way to deal with it.
there was this one professor who made a big deal out of his evaluations sa amin. Kasi basta parang nagbibigay siya ng mahabang deadline. Pero at the same time, hindi siya ganun kahabang deadline. Alam mo yun, kapos ka pa din.
Yeah,
Tapos,
yeah.
ano yun? Okay, I give you guys ample time, ganito, ganyan. Baka babaan niyo pa ako sa evaluation, ganito, ganyan. Parang, you're not really teaching that good though, and power tripper ka. So,
What we're not learning. Yeah, my personal gripe is that kind of teaching style where nang babasa ka lang sa PowerPoint.
God, I hate that.
We all go through Terra profs. Sadly, we can only rely on one another to deal with stuff like that. So hopefully na lang that whoever goes through Theraprof, mag, pang pumasa kayo, we pray for you guys.
Thanks.
Yeah, true. I think that's all we could do for today. Thank you so much for staying with us. Enjoy. Please comment down below. What's your Theraprof experience? And makaka-relate naman tayong lahat with the
A while
Theraprof.
deal with the terror profs.
Yeah, exactly. Um, and we hope you enjoy. Take a nice cup of coffee or magmatcha or magcocoa kayo while you're listening to us. And we'll see you then. Welcome to Tiger Terror.
Thank you
And
for listening.
hello, I'm host Bea,
I'm host Natalie. And
and this is Tiger Terror. Thank you guys. Bye.
Terry says bye.
Terry says bye bye.